Good afternoon, everybody, and welcome back to my channel. It's Titi, and in today's video I am going to be sharing with you guys how I've been maintaining my hair, and I've been moisturizing because in real time it's a week later since I have had this hairstyle on. Not gonna lie, it's still looking very good because I've been taking care of it, and I'm gonna show you exactly how I've been doing that. So without any further ado, let us get right into today's video. Okay, so first thing is first, I love my dress. Where did I get this dress? I've had it for like 3 years now. I got it like from Mr. Price, I think. Yes, I think Mr. Price, I'm not sure. So anyway, it's cold, so I thought, let me just pair it with a cute long black sleeve, and everything just works, neutral makeup. I didn't do too much today like I did in my previous video, and as promised in my previous video, I did say that I'm going to be showing you guys how I moisturize. So I'm taking you guys back to my childhood. You know what my mom used to use on her hair, how we used to be taking care of our scalps when I was relaxed, but I'm certain that these products that I have today will perform and behave the same. And the reason why I actually like them is because they have like menthol in them, so they kind of like get to be tingling your scalp and all that kind of stuff. Not just that, but I know there are a few people who might be still using these products in the comment section. So I want my channel to be inclusive of everyone. I don't want people to think that I'm always just saying buy expensive products and never the affordable ones, or rather ones that I know, for example, I grew up with, like especially in the black community. MPL is like what we know, we use it. So I haven't used this yet because I've been using other products to moisturize my hair, but in today's video and for the next 2 weeks or so, I'm going to be using this should I still be keeping this hairstyle. So first of all, if you do not know what MPL is, it's basically a hair oil, and I grew up my mom used to use this, and then we would use the hair food also to base our scalp, but never really apply it on our hair strands. It was mostly this specifically for, and both of these were specifically for our scalps and not always for our hair strands. For our hair strands, we used to use sulfur 8, and we were relaxed back then, and I'm not relaxed, as you can tell. So first of all, let me show you how my hair is looking. This is like a week later, okay? This is how my hair is looking. The only thing I would say has been happening is, where is it? Like this one here. You guys see there's like a little bit, maybe I forgot to cut that. I'm not sure, but things like this, if I see them coming out, I will just cut them or tie them properly. You see, like this. So here I will just tie properly, and this is probably what you might also experience if you didn't tie your hair properly. Also, please let me know in the comment section if you guys have been trying out or you are planning to try out this hairstyle, because I think I'm gonna be wearing it for the next week again, and that will probably be now my 3rd week, and maybe I'll even keep it for a month, because not gonna lie, I have been enjoying it. Not just that, it's easy for me to gym in this hairstyle. It works, it suits my face. I like it. I like anything that goes backward, because it takes out my face, and I believe I have a beautiful face. I don't know about you, but I believe that about myself. I'm giving you guys thick brows today because I didn't do much on my face today. So let's start with water. So let's go back to the basics of moisturizing and why you should be moisturizing your hair religiously, especially when you're in a protective style. Okay, so if you are going to be moisturizing your hair, you have to start with water. I cannot stress this enough. Water is the only thing that is able to hydrate your hair. And funny enough, I posted a reel on my Instagram and teaching people and letting them know that oils don't hydrate your hair. They help to moisturize your hair by locking in the hydration, but they don't hydrate your hair. So as you can tell, I'm using a very good spray that has like a cool mister kind of vibes. I love these. And so what you're always gonna do is always first use water. Okay, I think I have spoken a lot about water. And also drink water. Don't just be out there spraying it on your hair but you're not drinking it. That's just kind of pointless, honestly speaking. And once you feel like your hair is like about damp and all that kind of stuff, you are good to go and ready for the second process. I'm gonna go in with O to the Motherland's product, which is the sequel. This is my leave-in However, if you have a liquid leave-in, I suggest you bring that out because I don't, and I don't want to, you know, make it watery right now. So I'm just gonna use not too much, just a little bit, okay? This is, you see, just like so. Whenever you're going to be using a leave-in conditioner, make sure that it's a leave-in conditioner that your hair loves, because sometimes when they have like ingredients that your hair does not agree with, you're kind of blocking out a lot of things. For example, so now that we're going to be basing our scalp and you already put in a leave-in conditioner that your hair might not like, it's kind of not going to balance nicely, okay? And I'm gonna squeeze that in. Also remember to squeeze in your products, because right now we don't have a lot to work with, you know, and depending on how you decided to style your hair, you know, I mean, like I mentioned, you guys can do however you want. Then I'm going to take my MPL oil. I think it would have been nicer if it came in like a pipette, you know, like a pipette, like a you know, the things that the girls squeeze and they be like, you know, pressing onto their skin, like the thing that that little, what do you even call it? You know, I'm just gonna put a picture right here so you guys can see. So I'm gonna put a little bit of the MPL. It's like an oil, it's a thick oil, and I actually like how it smells, funny enough. And then I'm just going to rub it like so. And with each finger, this is how I'm going to apply, like so. See? Perfect, 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 perfect. Like so. You see? Going to get, this is the first part of my hair. So that's the other thing, you girls. Make sure that when you're moisturizing your hair, you're also, you know, kind of treating it in sections, just so you are covering all of your head and not just pieces of your head, like so. And if I should record more videos, and the other thing is I am very active on my Instagram. I'm trying to grow my Instagram. I'm posting reels, I'm posting tips, and I'm gonna just pour a bit more so that I can, you know, teach other people on different platforms and not just on YouTube, because I get, we live in South Africa, data can be expensive, but you know, if somebody watches a quick 60 seconds reel, it's much better than a 10-minute reel, a video like we do here on YouTube. You guys can see that I haven't applied any of this oil on my hair strands because I actually don't want it on my hair strand. I want a moisturizer on my hair strand. I want this on my scalp. And then I'm also going to kind of seal in. They kind of smell the same, but this one smells like much nicer. I like how they both smell. Okay, I'm not going to use too much. Okay, I'm going to use like a 10-cent size, and I'm going to rub that between my fingers, and also again using the same technique. And with this one, I'm not going to apply twice. I'm just, what I had is enough, and I'm just going to be massaging that. I promise you, if you are massaging your hair while you are in a protective style, you are encouraging your hair follicles to actually grow. So I prefer to do this way so that so that my hair gets like proper moisture and all the kind of stuff. You guys see that all of the products, the MPL products that I just used now, I'm focusing them on my scalp and nothing else. And then once you are done focusing on your scalp, I suggest that you take a light moisturizer, like a cream or whatever. If you have like a lotion, great time, take that out. I'm going to use a little bit, and this is what's going to go on my hair strands, all right? Like so. This is what I'm going to be squeezing into my hair, like that. And funny enough, this moisturizer is like nice and lightweight, but also it's very moisturizing. So that's it. So after this, you might experience like a white cast over your hair. Don't worry, the products are going to melt in because, you know, body heat and all that kind of good stuff. I think in my next video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I take care of my edges, because how I take care of my edges and how I moisturize and take care of the rest of my hair is completely different, given the fact that I use like you know, edge control regularly. So I want to show you guys how to keep your edges intact in a protective style, because sometimes I don't want to do too much in one video and overwhelm you. Oh, I can feel the tingles. I can feel the tingles. So because obviously I don't want to make this video too long, after this I'm going to continue to massage my scalp for like the next 5 minutes, and then afterwards I'm good. So I thoroughly hope that you guys enjoyed today's video, and please, if you're going to be trying this, take a picture, tag me or something, send me a picture on my Instagram so that I can boast about you and be proud that I've taught you something new, you know? So that's that. Okay, so I'll see you guys in my next video.